Some people birth babies. I birth icons.
You're gonna need this.
Okay. Wait, I'm dead. That's so good.
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Oh my god, yes.
That's literally perfect.
Welcome to the Photoshop.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another very special episode of The Photoshop.
Oh my god. I am so excited because the shop has been closed for a very long time, which has been devastating. But the shop is reopening today. Thank you to vaccinations. Thank you to COVID tests. We're back on the bench.
Yay.
All right, you guys, Mother's Day is coming up, and what better way than to celebrate all the amazing mothers in our life, like Sinead.
Sinead birthed me.
But we wanted to do something extra fun this year, so we are going to be recreating some photos of iconic moms. And we don't want to give too much away about who each of us are doing, but Linus is here for a very specific reason.
Aww.
I'm gonna kidnap him.
He looks thrilled.
He's literally the best prop. He's a grumpy old man.
He's about to fall asleep.
Yeah.
Dude, okay, so last year, the three of us were actually the ones who did the Mother's Day video where we honored our own moms and recreated photos of them, which was so freaking cute.
It was so nice.
Okay, you guys might be thinking iconic moms. What does that mean? Where are we going with this? Trust us, you guys, it's about to get so good.
Honestly, you know, as Kris Jenner says, the devil works hard, but for today, we work harder.
Brian Mendez!
Oh my god, I'm so excited you're here. We couldn't do this show without you.
It's been way too long.
It's been
I
way
know.
too long.
I've been so ugly ever since I haven't seen you.
All right, so Drew, you're first. I'm excited.
I'm so excited,
Tell
you
us,
guys.
tell us.
I am recreating the mom of all moms, the queen that birthed my queen, Tina Knowles Lawson.
I feel the happiest I've ever been in my life.
I am so excited. This is the thing. I know I don't look like her, but I love her, so I think it's fine.
Okay, let's talk about this picture.
Yes. What made you choose this photo?
Well, first of all, because she just looks like a queen. She's
Literally.
literally wearing a crown, and you guys know how I feel about crowns. I'm not gonna say I didn't do it to take a crown home, but like it's mainly because I love the photo. She just looks amazing.
You know what? I do feel like you both emulate this confidence. Like, I already know you're gonna nail the vibe.
The vibe is what I'm gonna try to go for because like the hair situation, I love her hair. This is a wig, don't snatch it. I didn't want to do that because just blonde on me is just a no. And so I did this situation which looks like an elongation of my natural hair.
Yeah.
I wanted to get the vibe of it being full.
Very full, voluptuous. We want to know what the plan is for this picture. Like, what do you have in mind?
Nude waterline, super pretty red lip.
Yes, I love it.
Yes.
Covered everything together.
Already.
I'm ready. Knowles Lawson me. Oh my god, the prop table!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You have options. That one is not an option. We're gonna goodbye.
Eliminating that one. Okay, so this one I have.
We own this one.
Because if you remember the prom episode, they're so pretty. I think this is definitely gonna be the winner. This one feels right. This one feels right.
I doss thee, Tina Knowles.
Dude, it fits so nice and snugly right on your head, too. Also, you have nails, but your nails are already painted. You came prepared.
Mine are like neon
Orangey.
orange, but I feel like
It's the
with
Photoshop.
Photoshop,
Yeah, you
We
could just
can
darken
Photoshop.
it. You know how the lighting always changes the color.
we see the photo and it's like a traffic cone.
So let's get this set for you.
My titty holder.
Yeah.
So stunning.
Love
Go
it.
change because I'm explaining.
And I can accessorize. Tina's about to come alive.
Without further ado, it is my greatest pleasure to present to you Miss Tina Knowles.
Some people birth babies. I birth icons.
All right, we have our goal right here. We have the talent right here. You look great. Let's do this, okay? So your body's pretty much great, actually. I would say move your back arm. Oh yeah, a little bit, there you go. Yeah, like I don't want some of these bracelets to show, so you don't move your arm, but I'll just do this.
Oh my God, yeah, that's
Yeah,
great.
that's great, actually.
She definitely has like a humble quality to her face. There's like a softness to her.
It's in her eyes.
It's in the eyes. At the same time, there's like a lioness in there.
Oh my God, yeah, this is good. This is really good. I'm like, I can't even think of things to say because it's so good. Think like lots of money and wealth too.
Yes, green. Oh my God.
Oh my God, yes.
That's literally perfect.
I mean, it doesn't even matter. This picture's just great on its own too.
All right, it's time for us to see how your recreation turned out. Honestly, I feel really confident about it.
I'm so excited.
I want to see myself.
Okay, this is the one of Drew.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God! Wait, with the red background?
I'm not mad at it.
You don't like it?
I wish my hair was bigger. I think it's underwhelming, to be honest.
What? I literally think you look perfect.
You look stunning in this.
I mean, like, I would do her for sure.
Your body looks so
I mean,
sick.
I'm not saying I wouldn't do her, because I would. You know, her being me.
Me.
Okay, I love this. But Madeleine, it is your turn.
It's your turn.
Yay, Linus, it's your turn.
And your turn
Miss
too,
George.
Linus.
You're a star.
Linus.
He's got dry mouth.
Okay.
Today's very exciting. I get to do a photo shoot with my son. This is actually gonna be so epic. Like, I'm gonna have this printed and framed. So
Yeah, it's perfect.
here's what we're gonna do. We were thinking like iconic moms, and then you guys know I love nostalgia, the Juicy Couture sweatsuit of it all. So then we
Yes.
decided to do Amy Poehler in Mean Girls. She plays Mrs. George.
I'm not like a regular mom, I'm a cool mom.
We just felt like that combo was so fitting. Mean Girls, Amy Poehler, Juicy Couture sweatsuit, dog.
Yes.
We found this awesome still of her, and she is the one where she's like holding her little chihuahua, and her chihuahua is fondling her chest. I don't know if we're gonna go that deep with Linus, but we're definitely gonna
Is
have like a
Linus
little moment.
trained to chew on your nips?
I don't even want to go down that pretender road. Did you get me fake boobs for this? I just had the realization.
Oh my God. Jill, where are the titties? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the best day of my life.
Oh my God! Like,
Are you
that's
ready to
not
see
even,
your?
like,
Wait,
that
let me show them before I show you. Look at this. Okay. Are you ready for the reveal?
She's not ready, dude.
Okay, I'm ready.
I feel like it is only me who can bestow on you your titty honor. Lady Lumps!
Why are they so peachy?
They're amazing. I love them. Put them on right now.
Can we show this on the internet?
Okay, next up, coming to the stage, we have Mrs. George.
Make sure to check out her boob job.
Hey girls, what is the 411? What is the hot goss? What has everybody been talking about? Do you guys want some snacks? Some condoms? Ugh, just love you guys so much.
Step up to the plate, Mrs. George.
Coming, come on, son.
You're gonna need this.
Okay.
You're gonna wrap him in it.
Yeah, how have I never noticed she has like a full-blown,
I don't
like,
know what that is.
it's just like his accessory.
Yeah, it is like his accessory. So you're gonna put your hand right around his head.
Okay.
Plant your feet down so you're standing, holding him. Yep.
Now you're gonna look off, and the expression is like, raise your eyebrows.
Condom?
Do you wanna go for a walk?
You wanna walk, Linus?
Oh my God, his face.
Oh, we're gonna go for a walk, like, it's gonna be fine. I feel bad.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
That's a winner.
Oh my gosh. Seriously, all of these are great.
So over you guys. Like,
All right, well, he did a good job. That's a wrap on him, but we still have one more picture to take.
Happy hour is from 4 to 6.
Okie dokie, it is time for us to recreate Mrs. George's beautiful little party platter.
Yeah, it's her happy hour tray.
From 4 to 6. So it's only right that we make this exact setup, but we have to glue them to the tray because I think it'll fall.
It's just a lot. It's a lot to ask for, you know?
You know, that's already too much pressure having to pose, but you have to try to balance 4 drinks.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
right.
Hey girl, hey.
She's looking this way though, right? Look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us. Yeah, that's great.
Happy hours 4 to 6.
All right, let's check it out. Let's see.
Stop, this is so funny. I look like this is a Halloween costume.
Dude, this
It
is.
does look like a Halloween costume.
These are really good. It looks like this is a shoot for like the Spirit Halloween.
Doesn't it? And it's like
costume.
the
You know how
happy
it's
hours
always
from 4 to
like-
6 costume.
Yes.
Because they can't call it
Yes.
Mrs. George. So they're like blonde, fun mom costume.
Yes.
Next up, we are going to see Mrs. George. Are you ready, Madeline?
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I got 2
So
opportunities.
good.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh!
gosh.
I literally thought your head was photoshopped onto her body. Like that's how good it is.
Why do I look, literally, this is probably one of the guttural ones where I'm like, ha! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No, this is pretty damn
is
good.
so good.
It's a similar vibe. I should have been carrying the tray higher so you could see my abdomen. Okay, I need to see the one with Linus because
okay.
that's about to be my fave.
Let's see the one with Linus. Ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! This literally looks like a movie still.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Oh my god. Madeline, you have to post this like today.
That's you.
Look, he's happy, I can tell. This is iconic.
The wig looks perfect in this.
This looks like a still from a movie.
You guys nailed it with telling me what face to do and like the eye line. Like that actually made it so much better. Linus is actually literally looking off to the side too.
Yes.
Honestly, Linus looks so freaking cute.
He's so perfect.
He's like,
Ladies and gents, princes and princesses, it is time for the main event. The mom of all moms, Kris Jenner. Honestly, I feel like it only feels right for our clever mama to become the mom of all moms. Listen, mom, come here. I love you, I really do. However, if Kris Jenner wanted to adopt me, I would take it in a heartbeat.
Damn, you jumped ship from Tina real fast.
all right, so because it's a wig and it's a pretty small wig and I have quite a lot of hair, I dunked it in some water and he French braided it so that we could hopefully get it all to fit under. I mean, Kris Jenner's hair is short, so it's not a lot of wig. But we have 2 wigs to try because it's gotta be perfect. Her hair's iconic. You can't mess this up.
Okay, so we're gonna put the wig cap on.
Okay.
And get you trying on the wigs.
Looks like there's one that's a little bit more shaggy and then a one that's got like a slight curl.
Okay, so we're gonna try both of these on. You guys have to let me know.
Pull and push.
I feel like it needs the other one. This looks like a young man. No, she looks like Chad, you know the new show?
Thanks, you guys.
I cannot even look at myself for a second longer.
My pants.
Oh my gosh!
Wait, with the sunglasses though, it's gonna be
Don't I
good.
look like I have an 80s talk show or something?
Wait, what you just did to it actually made it
Yeah,
way
like
better.
shushing?
Wait, no, honestly, it looks like so good now.
Wait,
I'm not
this
even
is
kidding.
very Kris Jenner.
I'm not even kidding. It looks good now.
Yeah.
That's how I know I'm serious because I'm not even laughing anymore. You look really chic.
Really?
Yeah.
Do I look like Kris Jenner?
Yeah, you do actually.
Yeah, that one ain't it.
No, that's why I said that one actually is like a boy one.
He is a boy.
So you guys really feel okay about this?
No, it looks, whatever Brian did looks great.
All right, everybody, it is arts and crafts time. We ordered this Chanel dupe from Amazon, and they did us real dirty. What would you describe this material as?
Ew, what is that?
We're real crafty here, so we are basically gonna turn this with this into that.
I think it's best to start for example, glue this and then just keep going along, adding little dots.
Dude, this is gonna be
Take a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to introduce to you one of the most iconic celebrity moms that has ever walked the planet. Sinead, aka Kris Jenner.
Miss Jenner, one more smile for you.
I am deceased.
Sinead.
Oh my Kardashian Jenner.
Sinead de Vries. No, I don't think you understand
Literally,
how
look.
good.
It looks just like Kris.
I have to keep my purse here because it's literally protecting my vag.
So it's like this.
can't
Just put your
figure it
legs
out.
closer
Like
together.
this?
Put that leg closer, yep.
Which one is back?
They're
This
both
one?
holding the bag.
Hold it like that.
They're both holding the bag, yep.
And then the other hand is just thumb on the bottom. That makes sense. Yeah.
That?
Oh my God, that's it.
And then, yep, literally, she's
Don't
ready.
move. And like smile a little bit.
Yeah, like you have so many rich kids
Period.
and you're making 20% of all of them.
This looks exactly like it. It's
That's
so
literally it.
Ow,
Is
Sinead,
my face right?
Yes.
Sinead, I'm gonna punch you in the face. It's so good.
So I feel like you guys hype me up a lot and my expectations are really high, but I am just nervous.
No, it's just gonna be a picture of Kris Jenner.
I know. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
This is
That's literally Kris Jenner.
Sinead.
Wait, I'm dead. That's
Dude.
so good.
Are you kidding?
Look at that.
It's identical. Identical. Listen.
Honestly, like for a whack jacket and a piece of paper Chanel logo, this is
Dude.
pretty damn good.
And good call, Madeline, to
The
like
bangs.
do her hair.
Yeah, because we at first forgot to get the bangs.
yes,
Yeah.
that's so true.
But
It
it
is
really,
perfect.
wow.
It's perfect.
We need to tag Kris Jenner.
I love technology.
Honestly, you guys, I kid you not, I feel like I'm looking at a picture of my mother.
That is
And I was
love that.
remember last year when we recreated our mom's pictures, my mom's hair looked like this in the picture.
I'm so proud
I'm
of us.
proud. I'm proud of us.
Yeah,
I
you guys,
really
that
am.
was actually really like a lot of fun.
We did a very good job of paying homage to these wonderful mothers, and also happy Mother's Day, Sinead.
Guys.
And to our moms, and to your moms, and to all moms across the land, we thank you for all that you did, all that you put your body through.
And now that we're back with the Photoshop, what else should we recreate? We need to know, you guys, because we are ready. We'll do this forever and ever, amen. So just drop your suggestions down in the comments.
Yeah! And then click right on over here for even more Clevver Style.